Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Windows 11 taskbar icons interactive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully booted before moving forward with the customization process. Once your PC is ready, open a new browser tab and head to google.com. In Google's search bar, type in Windhawk and press enter. This is the tool that will allow you to customize your taskbar icons and make them interactive. From the search results that appear, look for and click on the first result. This will direct you to Windhawk's official dashboard page where you can access all the customization features. On the Windhawk dashboard, you'll immediately see a download button prominently displayed. Beneath this download button, you'll also notice the user interface of the Windhawk app, which gives you a preview of what the application looks like and what features are available. The interface is designed to be straightforward, showing you all the customization options you can enable with just a simple toggle. From this user interface preview, all you have to do is select a feature that interests you and enable it by clicking on the toggle button next to it. This gives you an idea of how the app works before you even install it, which is pretty convenient if you want to know exactly what you're getting. Now, go ahead and click the download button to download the Windhawk application to your computer. Wait for the download to complete, which should only take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Once the download has finished, simply run the app by double-clicking on the downloaded file and follow any installation prompts that appear on your screen. After the installation is complete and the app opens up, look for the interactive effect option specifically designed for your taskbar. This feature is what will make your taskbar icons respond with visual effects when you hover over them or interact with them. Once you locate this option, simply click on the toggle button to enable it on your Windows 11 PC. The change should take effect immediately, giving your taskbar a more dynamic and visually appealing look. And that's it. You've successfully made your Windows 11 taskbar icons interactive using Windhawk. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.